In this video, I shall be introducing you to the basic thing we do when we are ready to make a sewing project from fabric scraps. As the word implies, scraps, they come in pieces, shreds like this. They are not intentionally shredded for the purpose of that project. No. As a sewing person, during a sewing procedure of cutting, measuring and cutting for the project, the outcome of what you want to sew, it turns out this way. We do not discard these scraps because we are ingenious. A lot more things will come out from these scraps over time. And so in this video, I am introducing you to how we go about it. Watch and see how we cut pieces. We do not need the measuring tape to measure in this kind of process, activity. We take the scraps as they come and cut off especially the dangling parts and gather them also nicely. Those dangling parts will also be used at a later date for what we will think of. We are creative also in nature, so over time it will also be useful. Fabric scraps, especially very colorful ones, come out nicely for other projects. So in this video, as you're watching, try to watch to the end so you will see what the project is that is being made. For instance, we make projects using fabric scraps. Look at the beautiful tote bag, how it has come out, using fabric scraps, combining them colorfully. This is a computer bag. You see how the inside is? Everything neatly done with a zipper. And many other things we sew from fabric scraps. As I have cut them right away, I make sure I put them somewhere aside neatly so that when I start the sewing, I will have them within reach and sew with ease. If this video has been helpful in any way, like the video, click the notification button so that anytime I make another video, you will